Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. कैसे हो आप सब? Today I am back with a bare face क्योंकि हम लोग एक guest wedding ट्यूटोरियल मेकअप गेस्ट वेडिंग मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल करने वाले हैं, तो बने रहिए. इफ़ यू न्यू टू माय चैनल प्लीज़ डू लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, turn on the bell notification button so that you're notified every time I post a video. So guys, let's begin. मैंने लेंस पहन ली है इसलिए मेरे आँखें लाल हो रखे हैं, but let's get started. Let me moisturize my face. I'm using Nutriderm's Moisturizing Lotion. It's the best lotion according to me. It's not too heavy, it's not too thin, it's the perfect consistency, so I'm just using that. I'm not using any serum today, but I'll be using a lot of dewy and moisturizing stuff, right? So next I am going to be using e.l.f's Get Lit Illuminator. I have made a whole dedicated video on this product as well, so you can go ahead and check that out. But before I apply the Get Lit Illuminator, I will be using Blind's sunscreen. Sunscreen is on. This is a very good sunscreen. The only problem with this is it does smell like Fevicol, but then it doesn't leave a white cast. Using e.l.f's Stroke Cream. It is again a creamy consistency, so my skin is going to be really nicely moisturized. It is necessary to prep your skin prior to makeup. That way makeup sits nicely, stays longer, and doesn't kick. I am going to be using e.l.f's HD Photo Face Perfector just on my nose and wherever I have pores, so that because I have a lot of texture, right, so it shouldn't emphasize the texture, so I'll be using that. Whenever you apply your primers and all of that, just give it a minute or two for them to settle down in your face. Okay, so I have applied an orange corrector on my face because I have a lot of dark circles. So this is by Inside Cosmetics, and use the eyeshadow primer from NYX. I'll be using this so that my shadow pops in properly and looks really good. If you don't have an eyeshadow primer, always go in with a good concealer so that all the darkness is cancelled. For the eyeshadow, I'll be using e.l.f's bite-size eyeshadows. This is in the shade Cream and Sugar. This is in the shade Cream and Sugar. It's a perfect palette for travel. I used it during my travel in Ooty. Take this as a transition shade and apply it all over my lid. Next I'll be using this highlighter palette, and I'll be using this color just to add a little bit pop in my transition. I will be using it on my crease just to build a slight tint of color. I am taking this shade and adding a bit of pop of color over here. For the glitter shades, I'll be taking this in the whole lid, and then in the outer corner I'll be using this. You guys can't see it with all the orangeness in my face, so let me just finish my eye and then come back. For eyebrows, I'll be using the Wet n Wild's Ultimate Eyebrow Kit. This is a very loved kit, as you can see, so I'll be using that. I've carved out my brows and I'm going to be using the foundation. I have Lakme 925 foundation that I'll be applying on my face. I'm almost done with this foundation. I've almost finished it. It's on the brink of getting over. I will go ahead and dab it all out. I will build the foundation if necessary, and or else I'll leave it at that. Concealer, I'll be using the Mars concealer, Seal the Deal concealer, to under my eyes, and wherever I need a little bit of brightening and I need to conceal things, I will use this. For blush and highlight, I'll be using Sugar Cosmetics highlight palette in the shade Subtle Submit. So this is how it looks like. I'll be using the blush from the same palette. I'll be setting everything on my face. I'll be doing the lower lash line. What I'll be doing is I'll be taking in a little bit of this brown and just smoking it up a teensy bit. That's it. Just like this. As you can see, I've smoked it a little. I have a little blue in my outfit. I felt like I should be doing something a little bit popping. So what I will be doing is I'll be using this shade Dream Light and slightly packing it so that it gives a little bit of color. I'm using the mascara by e.l.f. So I love this mascara, so let me just apply this. I'll be setting my face with Swiss Beauty's Makeup Fixer. For the highlighter, I'll be using the e.l.f.'s highlighter. This is a very beautiful shade, so I'll be using this. Can you see? Oh my god. It's a super duper blinding highlighter. Finally, I'll be applying the lipstick. For lipstick, I am using Maybelline's Amazonian shade. This is one of the best staying liquid lipsticks. I love it. Lipstick is on now for the outfit and final reveal. So wait. So this is how I look like. I know I need to comb a little bit, but this is how I look like. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about my makeup look and how it turned out. Is it good? Is it great? Is it bad? Let me know. This is how my outfit is looking like and makeup looking like. I absolutely love it. So if you guys liked it, to comment and let me know, and keep coming back for more. Till the next video, take care and stay safe. Bye.